Hello and welcome to this guided meditation. In this video, we will be exploring the second technique from the Vigyan Bhairav Tantra, a sacred text from ancient India. This technique is a form of mindfulness meditation that can help you become more aware of your breath and achieve a state of deep relaxation. So find a quiet and comfortable place to sit, and let's begin. Find a comfortable seated position, either on a cushion or in a chair. Make sure your spine is straight and your shoulders are relaxed. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. As you exhale, release any tension in your body. Let go of any tightness in your shoulders, neck, and jaw. Allow your muscles to soften and relax. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the breath as it enters and leaves your body. If you find your mind wandering, simply bring your attention back to your breath. As you continue to breathe, visualize a wave of relaxation moving through your body. Starting at the top of your head, imagine the wave moving down your body, relaxing each muscle as it goes. Allow yourself to sink deeper into relaxation with each breath. If you notice any thoughts or worries popping up in your mind, acknowledge them without judgment and let them pass by like clouds in the sky. Bring your attention back to your breath and the wave of relaxation moving through your body. Take a few more deep breaths, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how your body feels, and carry this sense of relaxation with you as you go about your day. Remember, taking time for relaxation and stress relief is important for both your physical and mental health. Make it a priority to incorporate these practices into your daily routine. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. Subscribe to not miss out on the next technique.